How to stop auto deleting text message on iPhone. Do you notice that after some times your messages move away or deleted from your iPhone? It's because there's an hidden settings that you've missed out. So this video guys, I'll guide you on how to stop auto deleting messages on iPhone. Go ahead and tap on settings icon. Now here, go and tap on the app button at the base of the screen. Then in the search bar here guys, type in message. Once type in message here, then tap on message icon. Once tap on message icon guys, scroll down to the base where you see this option that says keep message. Tap on it. If your own is under 30 days, it means after 30 days every message on your device will be deleted. And if your own is under 1 year, it means after 1 year messages on your iPhone will be deleted. In order now to prevent message from deleting from your iPhone, make sure you tap on forever. By doing so guys, it means message will remain on your iPhone forever. So if you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.